Hello everyone, welcome to another video, another celestial tour. So, this video will actually be my first actual video in 2023, excluding shorts videos and my 100 subscribers special video. Anyways, let's get to the topic. Question. It's a very important concept for fields in science like astronomy, and a source of the reason why we see all the genius scientists like Einstein, Newton, Galileo, Copernicus, and others out there. From asking your teacher something you're stuck on, to asking random questions on Google, people live to ask questions about the world. But how about people asking questions not only about the world, but about the universe? The topic of today's video will be 10 common questions about space and astronomy asked, from stars to the Big Bang, from black holes to the moon. Of course, questions about space don't end, but not to make this video too lengthy, I have picked 10 questions, and I most likely will make a series of videos about questions about space. Anyways, without further ado, let's answer some questions. The edge of space begins at 80 to 100 kilometers above the Earth's surface. That boundary is also called the Kármán line, which was named after the Hungarian-American scientist Theodor von Kármán, who figured out where space begins. He figured it out by calculating where Earth's atmosphere begins to thin for airplanes to fly after a certain altitude. The universe began approximately 13.8 billion years ago in the Big Bang explosion. It was actually a sudden explosion from a tiny pinpoint of matter which was called singularity. Since then, the universe keeps expanding, as far as we know. During the Apollo 11 mission, the astronauts took many rock and dust samples from the moon. Planetary scientists already knew that the moon was rocky, but analyzing the rocks told them about the geologic history of the moon, the composition of the minerals that made the rocks, etc. The specific answer for this question is, the moon is made of basalts, a type of igneous rock. This shows that the moon had heavy volcanic activity in its past. The moon phases are a result of the Earth's orbit around the Sun and the moon's orbit around the Earth. Sunlight hits different parts of the moon at different times. The answer for this question depends. In areas with light pollution, only the brightest stars would appear and the dimmer ones wouldn't unfortunately be seen. In suburban areas, you can see 3,000 stars with the naked eye without using a telescope, unless there are clouds, of course. So city life is probably cool with so many attractions, but does it have this spectacular view? Doesn't seem like it.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
What if I told you that this nursery rhyme everyone used to hear when they were toddlers is actually a big fat lie? The stars themselves don't twinkle. It is, again, a trick caused by the Earth's atmosphere. The atmosphere causes starlight to flicker as it passes through it. That's why it seems like they twinkle. Stars with a short lifespan can shine for millions of years, and the other stars with a long lifespan can last for billions of years. When it comes to their life cycle, you can watch my video on the top right. I mean, it is like my second oldest video. I have a baby voice, but so if you're interested in it, you may watch it. Not even a single light ray can be detected in the darkness of intergalactic space. That is a well-known space fact, and it is true, yes. But the statement saying that there's no matter found in intergalactic space? Now that's not true. Between the galaxies, there are hot gases. These gases are there due to the collision of galaxies that rips gases away from each of the galaxies involved in the collision. Supernova explosions can potentially drive hot gases into intergalactic space too. I guess I don't even need to talk about how nothing can escape black holes once it enters the black hole's event horizon. But what if two of these monsters collided with each other? It would be a very energetic event that would give off a lot of radiation. The collision would also create gravitational waves, just like how gravitational waves are created when neutron stars collide. Unlike the Big Bang that lasted very shortly, the end of the universe is projected as a long, slow expansion. As the universe slowly expands more and more, it gradually cools. It will take several billion years for the universe to stop expanding because of being cooled up completely. This will cause the universe to slowly die. So, I hope you guys learned the answers for some questions asked about space and astronomy. If you guys have other questions about space, you can comment down below. I can answer them either with a reply or in part 2 of this video. Thank you for watching, and stay astronomical.